What is up, guys? This is Jared Spalding here. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I truly can't understand how I never thought of. I've said that before, but this time it's something that I actually don't understand how I never thought of doing. And I'm going to be doing a comparison between I wouldn't call this a fake silver bar. I know that title did that because what it truly is just a 1 ounce copper bar that's plated in silver. So, you know, it's not really a fake necessarily. You could probably try to pass it off as a fake. There's not really much that gives it away other than right here. If the camera will focus, that'd be wonderful. Yeah, you can see that 1 ounce 999 fine copper. So it is a plated bar. I'm not even sure what that says right there. Do this to try one. Oh wait, what does it say? I'm trying to read what this says. Ooh. I honestly cannot even tell what that says right there. It's so fine. It says something 999 fine silver, probably something about a measurement for being plated or something like that. So I just looked at it and I believe it says 1/375th of an ounce of fine silver. Cause look, there's a 1/475th. Is that 400? I think it's 1/475th ounce of fine silver. So yeah, you could pick up 475 of these and you got a full ounce of silver. Man. I actually bought this before I'd bought any real silver. It was a long time ago. And I just thought it was kind of cool. You know, so yeah, it is an ounce of pure copper in it though. And then you got this bar right here, Ohio Precious Metals, OPM Fine Silver, 1 ounce, Troy 9995. It's got a little mushroom right there. And then this says Ohio Precious Metals LLC, from recycled sources. One reason I do like this bar and picked it up is because it's my birth state is Ohio. I don't currently live there, but you know, I thought that was kind of cool. You know, something that I kind of liked about it. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. So we're just gonna be kind of doing a comparison of these bars. You know, the biggest difference, honestly, this one has heft to it because it still weighs a troy ounce. It weighs the same amount as this bar. I mean, there's not really too much to compare, honestly. Sorry about that. The birds were just being kind of loud up there, so I just wanted to close the window. But anyway, you know, let's see. I mean, because they have the same weight. A lot of times, what they'll do is they'll make the bars the same size, so you won't notice the size difference. But then they won't weigh right. So this one is not supposed to be a fake, so they don't do that. But you can tell they're about the same size, almost. But look, they're the exact same width, just about. But this one's a lot longer. And I believe that they're as thick as each other too. Yeah, they're just about as thick as each other. So that's a dead giveaway right there. This bar is so much larger than this one. Even with all these details it's got on this one, it has a lot more detail. Because this one's an art bar. It's a copper art bar. This one's just a generic bar. So this one honestly is worth probably close to as much as this bar right here, just because of that. This one you could probably sell for 15 bucks if you wanted to, really easily. And I'm trying to think, you know, the size difference, that's one thing right there. Let's see, the fact that it says copper on it's another dead giveaway. And I'm not going to be like Silver Ready One, who chopped open a fake bar, or you know, or not chopped over, he scratched off all the fake silver and you know, revealed the brass inside of it. I'm not going to do that because, you know, I just really don't feel like destroying this bar. But anyway, you know, let's see. I mean, there's not really too many differences. This one, like I said, I can tell you there's copper inside of this bar. It's supposed to be a copper bar, so I can already tell you what's inside of it. That's exactly what is in here. Is a ounce of pure copper, and then, you know, covered by 1/475th of an ounce of silver. And then this bar is just 1 ounce of pure silver all the way through. And if anyone tries to say this is fake, then I can prove to you that this one is real. With any test you want, it would pass it. This bar would probably not. This bar would pass the magnetic test, and it would probably pass. It would pass most tests, honestly, the weight test. but it would not pass the size test or anything like that. That, you know, dimensions wise it would fail probably. So yeah, I mean, you know, that's honestly it for the comparison between a fake and real silver bar. I mean, this could probably be passed off as a fake if you didn't see the you know, copper right here. If it didn't show the picture, if they made it purposely so that you couldn't see that it says, you know, 1 ounce fine copper, or they took a picture right here and all you saw was 999 fine silver. Like, look, I could literally snap a photo right here and it would look like it says 0.999 fine silver. You wouldn't see 1/475th of an ounce of fine silver. So, you know, that would definitely be an easy way to sell it as a fake. Anyway though, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, this comparison. I hope you learned something from it too. And make sure you know you're looking at all the details on a bar before you buy, especially art bars, because a lot of times they're fake. So anyway, that is it for this video. Peace, love, and much respect.